Hello and welcome to demo section of Lallemand Bio-Ingredients webinar. I am Signe from Applied R&D and I will guide you through the tastings of this seminar. In this session, you will have the chance to taste and compare the selection of several products in simple applications. Before tasting, make sure you have enough space to prepare and time to view all instructional videos. By now, you should have received or will shortly receive a demo kit from Lallemand. In this box, you'll find samples and supplies for 2 tasting sessions. Please pick up the ones from session 2. A pair of scissors will be handy when opening the sample sachets. For preparation, you will also need access to clean drinking water. If tap water in your area has any kind of taste, please use bottled water. Make sure you also have a possibility to boil or heat water. For this, you could use a kettle, microwave, or just boil water on a stove. Hot water from coffee machine is not recommended because it may have a coffee taste. It is also good to have some regular drinking cups close by. As one of the demos needs to be cooked, the possibility of cooking with either frying on a pan or microwave is needed. Next, you will see a video that will guide you through the preparations. Please continue with this presentation after watching the video in order to get the instructions on tasting methods. You can always come back and review the video later. When it comes to inactive yeast, the properties can be very different between species and different strains. While tasting, you can notice the toasted and sweet bready notes of Angevita, the strong meatiness and different mouthfeel of type B, and the lovely more neutral meat profile of Toravita. They are all very good base umami flavor contributors, and each of them has a unique quality that the others do not possess. For the masking demo, you are tasting a market product of vegan egg substitute based on chickpea flour, where the addition of Toravita really hides the unpleasant flavor of plants. Please taste the enhanced version first to taste differences more clearly. Notice how bitterness and all the plant-associated flavor sensations are reduced to create a much more acceptable substitute for egg. Imagine how addition of Toravita could benefit your plant-based formulations. To see the effect of High Life 566A, taste broth demos in sequence. Notice the flavor differences between the control and the enhanced version. The long-lasting umami and meaty profile is just perfect to reduce salt in food formulations and to really elevate the natural flavors in food. Thank you for listening. For recipe ideas, visit our homepage bio-lallemand.com.